Hello, this is Matt, your customer experience specialist from Constant Therapy. Today, I'm going to show you how to power off your iPad tablet and turn it back on. This is a good practice because it keeps the system software working at optimal speed. First, hold your tablet vertically so that the charging port is on the bottom. On the top right-hand side of your device is a button roughly the size of your fingertip. This button is the power button. It is used either to quick close your tablet or power it down completely. A quick close will turn your screen off so that it appears black, but this still allows you to quickly re-engage with your device by pressing any button or tapping the screen. Now, in order to power down completely, press and hold down the power button for approximately 3 seconds until the slider toggle appears on the screen. If you have held down the button correctly, your screen should say slide to power off. Use your finger to slide the toggle across to power down your device. To power back up, in the same manner as before, press and hold the power button down until you see the white Apple logo appear on your screen. It may take a minute or two to start up again. Once you have the ability to interact with your screen, you have successfully rebooted your tablet. If you have any further questions, always feel free to call our customer support line at 1-888-233-1399. You can also email us at support@constanttherapy.com. Have a great day, and thank you for choosing Constant Therapy.